Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the North Arm Knives Skaha here with me. And we're gonna do just a little maintenance of this guy because I wanna perfect the already awesome action, but I'm sure we can do something better. So for this operation, we're gonna need T8 bits, T10, and just a driver. So let's do it. Let's just start with the T10 over here, unscrew the pivot like that. There's no Loctite whatsoever going on, and let's change it up. Let's use the T8 for the handle screws. Yeah, no Loctite whatsoever over here and over here. Yeah, pretty clean. So then you see that like now the blade is off center, so you just put it like this and you open it so you don't scratch anything. Very, very straightforward disassembling for this guy. You just remove the scale that is off, bearing, done. So you take, I use these alcohol swabs over here. So I'm just gonna clean the inside of this one. And oh, by the way, this is you see here there's some gunk, something we're gonna remove, and just like that, just to have them nice and cleaned. All right, nice stainless steel insert for the bearings, and then this is your bearing like so, and then that's the other one like that. So by the way, this is I call it like the limited edition Skaha because check this out. This is 420, all right, you know what I mean, and this is kind of like a lace in BC. So usually it's written like made in BC, British Columbia. This is Canadian made. These guys are like 20 minutes from my house. In this case, it was 420, right? And which is April 2020. But you know what I mean, 420. So maybe something went wrong, and that's what happened. And lace in BC. So very interesting. I'm sure this is gonna become like pretty sought after classic right over here, limited edition Skaha. So you just can let's see, let's take this out so we get like a thorough cleaning like such. Here you go. This is the pivot is out. Just clean this up as well. Stop pin is out, in. I like this mat because you have nice little areas to put your, this is magnetic, so, and also here you can place your bits, your screws, keep them in order so you don't risk to lose them. There's a nice ridge over here, so very, very nice. Okay, cool. So this looks all right. I don't think there's need to undo. Yeah. No, they're right there. They're nice. So no need to take out these standoffs. Okay, nice. So next up, we're gonna go back, just clean up a little bit the pivot. Always check that you're using the right bit. This is a T10, so it's gonna be like that, and just like I like to do like this to clean the thread. So we can use some blue Loctite to put it together. Okay, so let's see. So this guy is gonna go here, and then actually we can just also clean a little bit this side. Oh yeah, 100%. Absolutely, nice. So now, I like to wait. I like to have it all assembled before, so I'm just gonna just do like this nicely. I want to have the knife all assembled before using the blue Loctite. All right. So nano oil, 10 weight for this side. Nice hardened steel washers, and then you have this guy in. Just a little bit also over here, and just a tad, just around like that, and even just a tad on the around the pivot. Okay, then you also do this side over here, not too much, bearing in just a little bit more here, and also on this side, just like that. Beautiful. So this is done. All right, stop in. It's in. So keep the blade not all the way open like that. It's gonna be easier. And then you just I like to align the stop in like so, and then everything is gonna just beautifully fall in place. Okay, so make sure you exchange the bit already, because you're gonna need a T8 for these guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like this a little bit, and like that, not all the way down, because I want everything in place. Then I'm gonna just do the blue Loctite. So let's do the pivot last, because we're gonna fine tune the action. So this is just gonna be like this. All right, nice. Then what I like to do is like just take this out like this, put it on the tip of the driver, and just like dip it a little bit, that's too much, exactly into the blue Loctite, and then this guy is in. Not too snug, otherwise you're gonna risk to strip it. Just like so. See, just a little bit like that. Very nice. In. Snug enough, and it's beautifully done. So next up, change the bit, put the T10 in like so. I like to keep this maybe like that. All right, so I take this out. All right, and do the same thing. Put it on the tip of the driver and just roll it a little bit so it drags a little. Maybe that's too much. Just like that, and now it's in like so. So don't over tighten or already. Okay, we need to do this other side as well, and then we're gonna fine tune it to our liking, because this is a beautiful knife, guys. This is the Skaha 2, and it has one of the most amazing actions out there, especially for the price. I don't think you can find a better knife, a better action knife. So okay, let's just do like that. Now you check it for blade play. There is none. Okay, and then you just do a little bit of that. Okay, I like to use in this case also nano oil 10 weight for the detent ball, which is not really a ball, it's just like more like a shaved off ball. So just a dab on top of that, and then just push the liner all the way down and have the ball just rub up against the track. See, it's too tight. All right, so I'm just gonna loosen up a little bit, just like that on this side, and like that on just a very blade perfectly centered, still no blade play. And this is no, let's do a little bit more loose, like this maybe, and like that, just a very, still no blade play. Exactly, look at this, This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Guys, this is how you perfect, look at this, the action of this already beautiful knife. But this is perfect. No blade play, absolutely centered, spot on, incredible action, guys. That's how you perfect the North Arm Knives Skaha. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.